Hey guys, it's Maylee, and today I will be reviewing YumeTwins' Kawaii subscription box from Japan. On its website, it states that each monthly box includes 6 to 8 Kawaii items ranging from plushies to Kawaii stationery. I was sent this box for free in exchange for an honest review and my opinions on the box overall. A few of the brands they feature will be listed on the screen below right now. And these are like the really popular brands such as Sailor Moon, Totoro, Hello Kitty, Gudetama, and many others, which are really cute. They also have free international shipping, which is like the best thing ever because shipping a box this size, the cost can range from $7 to $15 depending on where you live. And having it free is giving you like such a good deal since it's all the way from Japan. Let's get right into opening this box and seeing what the contents are. So I have my trusty scissors and I'm just going to cut the tape at the bottom so that we can see what's inside. This is the website. It's www.yumetwins.com and this is where you can purchase your very own box. So here it says, Kawaii monthly box from Japan with love. This is what the top looks like of the box. So on the top of the box, it has a pamphlet that states what month it is and the volume. I was sent February's box, and yeah, it says Pretty Picnic, so that's probably the theme of the box. So it just has some things about what's inside. Here's what the February lineup is. So let's take out this plushie first. So this is a Hedgehog plushie, and oh my gosh, it's bigger than I imagined. I thought it would be like tiny, but this is so cute. I'm just gonna take it out of the bag. So this is the Hedgehog plushie. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. I think it's a little bit squished from being put in the box, but it's so soft. It's like it's so cute. It's so soft. So it says here that this is the first guest to your Pretty Picnic, and it's a new release in Japan. Having not only come out in December, this cutie is looking fresh and ready to join the rest of your Kawaii plushies. One popular aspect you might already have noticed is that this plushie can sit up on its own. And I just figured that out right now. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. The next item we have here is a Disney bread squishy. And the top here says Disney and it says Tsum Tsum. Oh, that's nice. It's like a medium rising squishy. It has like a keychain here so you could put on your backpack or your purse, which is adorable. I really like the detailing on here. From what I could see, there's no cracks or creases, and the paint looks really nice and high quality. On with the next item. Let's take this one out. So this is a Disney Tsum Tsum snack container. It's blue and it has the different characters up here. And I think I got this person or this monster alien for my squishy. So I'm just gonna open it. So this is like a tiny container for different kinds of snacks, like fruits, crackers, chips. The next thing in the box is this cup. I think it's a cup. Sumuko Gurashi Melamine cup. Oh my gosh. Look at the sides. They're like really cute animals. Oh my god. And there's also different designs you could get. So the cup is designed with all these different characters, and I really love the inside and how they decorated it. There's like this one and those inside ones. So when you're finished drinking whatever you have, like tea or water, you could see your little you can see the little characters. This is adorable. On with the next item, there's this colorful and cute highlighter. On this side, you have a pointed tip, and this is orange, by the way. And then this side is like that slanted one. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a slanted, normal kind. And I really need highlighters, so this is perfect for me. So the next item we have here is a Kawaii character spoon, and this is the one I got. The handle is blue. Here's the little spoon. Oh, that's a nice green color. Here is an overview of all the contents in the box and what I just reviewed. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you would like to purchase your very own subscription box from either YumeTwins, which is this company, Tokyo Tree, or Nomakino Life, visit the link in my description and use the code FAIRIES in all caps for $3 off your very first subscription box. Bye guys, I love you.